What's up, guys? This is the day we've been waiting for, the first day of 4 Eat, Sleep, Mix, Repeat month. We are going to be going through 3 recipes today. We have Platypus Poison by Sheila G. We have Orange Madness by Sawyer. And we have Creamy Peach Yogurt from McMannus. First one we're going to talk about today is going to be the Platypus Poison. And the recipe reads, it is by Sheila G. Flavora Guanabana, 1%. TFA Guava, 0.5%. Inawera Mango Shisha, 1%. 3% TFA Papaya, 1% TFA Sour, 5% Capella Sweet Lychee, 1% Sweet Mango Capella, and 0.5% TFA Sweetener. I haven't had most of these flavors before, except for the Guanabana. It's definitely a different take on my palate. It's got a real interesting flavor. It's not bad. It does have a kind of a weird taste, which is most likely, I'm thinking, the lychee. I've never had lychee. Never eaten a lychee. But it is a flavor that's used the highest, which I'm assuming is the main component of this recipe. Probably what she was going for when she made it. I did try this in my tank a few weeks back, and I didn't really care for it. I didn't care for it out of the tank, but after a little bit more steeping, testing it on an RDA, it's not bad. It's smooth. I don't get any throat hit. I think the flavors blend pretty well together. For me, not really knowing much about the flavors that are being used. It's pretty smooth. It's got a nice citrusy flavor. It's just the lychee is a little bit, or at least I think it's the lychee. It's a little weird, but it's not bad either. It's not bad. It's just a little bit different for me, but I kind of like it now. It's not bad. Give it a shot if you got the flavors. I like it. It's blended pretty well. I think if this is your type of flavor you're going for, I think you'd enjoy the recipe. Even I enjoy it, and it's not really my flavor. It's not really my in my normal wheelhouse of things that I vape. But it is put together pretty well, and after a good steep, it's a pretty nice recipe. Good job. So I guess I gotta rate these, huh? I'll give it a 3.5. So it's a pretty good combination. Not really my style, but it is a good mix. It is a good mix, and I gotta respect that. It's a pretty good mix. I'm digging it. Next one we'll do is Orange Madness by Sawyer White. I got that in my Kennedy. The other one I had going to my Mutation V3. Let's see, Orange Madness. Pull up the recipe here. What's going on? It's not working. It's not working! Orange Madness reads, why is it like this? Alright, we got Capella Juicy Orange. Is that 3%? Why is it like this? Alright, there we go. Capella Juicy Orange, we got at 3%. We got Flavor West Orange at 2.5%. Inawera Orange Shisha at 1.5%. Flavor Art Royal Orange Juice at 1.4%. Citrus Mix Flavor Art at 2%. TFA Sour at 1%. Capella Super Sweet at 1.5%. And Capella Sweet Tangerine at 2%. See what this tastes like. Get a really, really nice orange flavor. Very nice orange flavor. Still got a little bit of a sore throat. It's healing up pretty good now though. Got my antibiotics. Kind of reminds me of Tang. Remember Tang, like the Tang Kool-Aid? I haven't had that for decades. But it's real sweet. It tastes like an orange. I thought it'd be a lot sweeter with 1.5% super sweet, but I think all the oranges and the sour kind of tame that super sweet down a little bit. So it's not as sweet as you would think. It is pretty sweet, but most of the sweetness you get, I think, is from the oranges. You probably almost tame that super sweet down a little bit. This is a really nice vape. Really nice vape. It's very reminiscent of Element's Fresh Squeeze. I have not had that juice in a while, but it definitely reminds me of that juice, which I thought was way too sweet, but it was good. And this stuff is really nice as well. Real nice job on this one, Sawyer. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Get some freshness on here. And it's like you get the whole orange. You know, you get the juiciness. You can taste the peel. You know. A little harsh. A little harsh on my sore throat. But it's really good. Made from the citrus mix, making a little harshness maybe. I don't know, I like it. I like it. It's real nice. Good job. If I had to rate this one, I'd oh. Shit. Oh boy. If I had to rate this, I'd give it about a 3.5, 4. 3.5, 4. It's pretty damn good. I'm definitely gonna mix it up again. I might tone some of the numbers down a little bit. I'm probably gonna single flavor test some of these oranges and find out which one is harsh, because it is a little bit harsh on my throat right now. which is probably largely due to me just getting over a pretty good cold. But I did vape it prior to having a cold, and it wasn't as harsh as it is now. So I'm not dialing it back because of that. And now we'll go. Wait a minute, this ain't the right RDA. That's not the right RDA. Now we'll go to my recipe of the week. The one that I think was numero uno. And that's going to be the Creamy Peach Yogurt by McMannus. Pull that recipe up here. And that is, let's see, 0.5% Flavor Art Apricot, 0.25% Flavor Art Raspberry, 3% Capella Greek Yogurt, 2% TFA Juicy Peach, 2% Flavor Art White Peach, 0.25% Capella Super Sweet, 1.5% Flavor West Yogurt. Yeah, this stuff is smooth. It is peachy. I love it. I love it. I think this is a very well balanced recipe. The peach comes out real nicely. The peach is up front. It's got the nice creamy yogurt background. And that raspberry just sets that peach off too. That was a nice bump you did with the raspberry. And the apricot, it just makes it. It's just a mouth-watering peach. That was really, really nice. Flavor West yogurt and the Capella Greek yogurt, very good combination right there. I just started using the Capella Greek yogurt. I think this is, I just got it for this recipe, and it does a pretty good job. It does a really, really nice job. I really like this. Really like this vape. I've been vaping on it all day, and it's real nice. I get all day vape this one for sure. Really nice job. Really nice job on this. Really nice. And the peaches I just got into also, and peach has been becoming one of my favorite flavors lately. And then with the yogurt, it's just really nice. Very nice recipe. I highly recommend everybody mixing this one up. Yeah, if I had to rate this one, I'd give this one a solid 4.5. It's up there. It's really good. I really like that one. So good job, guys. This has been fun. I look forward to next week's recipes. You guys are doing a banging job. Real nice recipes on this. Congratulations, and hope this review is helpful. Alright guys, we'll see you next week. Eat, sleep, mix, repeat. Adios.